we're still a lower middle income country. We fall in the range of $1,136 to $4,495. Sayang po, muntikan na po ito maklasify as upper middle income sa bansa. $26 lang po ang pagitan.
Huwag kang maghinayang, aabutan natin sa taong ito.
I was actually,
At kung marami ka pang tanong sa akin, lalabanan kita sa distrito.
well, I was going to say, Mr. Secretary, I believe we are capable of achieving that target. I therefore commend the economic team and this administration, which includes you, Mr. Secretary. Hindi naman po biro ang nakamit ninyong achievement, so congratulations.
Thank you very much. You will be unopposed again.